Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and thank you guys for stopping by. So today's video, I will be showing you guys how to apply your lashes, super details, and I hope you guys are ready for this video because I know a lot of people do struggle with applying their lashes and I want to be super helpful to you guys. I'm going to show you how to apply it and also tips and tricks I learned in like the 6 years of me doing my own makeup. And if you guys have any tips and tricks, let me know. This comment is always open for a full conversation. I love talking back. Please let me know. Without any further ado, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers before the summer ends. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram, Amanda Noir, and also on TikTok, Amanda Noir. Let's get started. First, I like to always apply mascara to my lashes, my natural lashes, before I go in with the falsies, because you can apply it before or after, but I don't like putting false mascara into my falsie because you will have to clean it later to take out the mascara, and sometimes I'm not the most unlazy person to do so. So I put it first before I add the falsie. Next, we have the lashes. So how you determine which lash go on each eye. This is how I do it. So I usually put my lashes right here in my face. This size go right here, this size go right there. That's how it comes. If you first bought the lashes, that's how you'll be able to determine which one go on which side. Before you apply your lashes, obviously you're going to need some glue. I do not use hair glue to apply my lashes because your natural lash are like one of the most sensitive and they will fall out. So I use regular lash glue. I have two favorite regular lash glue and I'm going to show you guys. This is how the eye invite will look in a brand new bag. That's how it looks at the beauty supply. This one will be the Dollar Tree one. This is how it look when it comes in a pack. This one is super cheap. It does the job, but I believe the eye invite one lasts longer compared to this one. But if you're a beginner, this is vegan and latex free. It's like a vegan lash brand. This is super good. You can either use your fingers to apply your lashes. I started as a beginner with a tweezer. You can get the tweezer at your local beauty supply. Any tweezer work. I currently use this one because it's like for my, I got it on a pack, but any tweezer work and you don't need a specific one. They're literally $1 at the beauty supply. Just use them. When I take out my lashes from the box, I usually hold it with my hands and I go like do it like this just to loosen it up. Reason why? Because not everybody eye shape, it's a round shape. So when I loosen it up, it's like more evident, like it fits your eye shape. If you have hooded eyes, it fits. Never cut your lashes from the front. Always cut your lashes from the outer, like the outside part. The front, it's unique. The front will fit any eye shape. The outer part is the one that won't fit any different eye shape. So always cut your lashes from the outer part, never in the front part. I'm going to apply the glue right now. I would not be cutting these lashes because I've used this brand and it fits my eye shape, so I won't need to cut it. But if you have different eye shape than me, always cut it, as I stated, from the outer. Leave your lash glue for 20 seconds before you put it on your lashes. Do not straight up apply it. And if you're not patient enough to wait 20 seconds, I always use a fan to make it speed it up. I put the lashes, I will put it in the center right here, and then I will connect the back and the front. I always place it in the center. I look down and I place it in the center. Then I go and connect the outer part and the front part. That's the easiest way I apply my lashes. I will use a mirror and then I will look down while applying it to literally look at where it's going. Make sure your lashes goes right in this line, the line that is super close to your natural lash line. That's where you want your false lashes to go. And then I connect the back, the outer part and the inner part. This is how your lash is supposed to look like. This is with lashes, this is with low lashes. There's a big difference when you add on the lashes. It's giving body, it's giving. But that's how your lash is supposed to look. I'm giving you guys a close-up to show you guys. It's supposed to look natural. Obviously, you could tell you have lashes because it's false lashes. But I would say come as close to your lash line as possible to give it the most seamless look. And the inner corner part of the lash will not stick to your actual eyes. I will always do just grab the glue and just go around it on the top of it and just glue it. Do not remove the whole lashes, just glue the front part that refuse to glue. That's what I do. I'm not gonna throw a fit and remove my whole lashes just to start over. That's not my fault. I wanted to tell you guys there's another way you can use the glue to apply your lashes. The other way will be you take the glue, you put it in your lash line, and then you put your lashes on top of it. Reason why I didn't show you how to do that, I don't like to do it that way because I'm clumsy and the glue always get in my real lash. It become a messy situation, so I avoid doing that. I only focusly doing it this method because the other one to me is too messy, so I only do it the way I just showed you guys how to do it. So guys, that is all from my super detail how to apply false lashes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and share with all your friends. Follow me on Instagram, Amanda Noir. Turn on your notification post, and I will see you guys on my next video. I post about fashion and beauty content on this channel every Wednesdays and Sundays. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! Peace out!